Lampin's been around for over 40 years, and it started out as a small gear and pinion company, and I can show you the machinery that was the first, and then it evolved into a turning business where we have all of our lathes and we really focused on turning. But over the course of time, we've learned that turning is only one aspect of it, so we've created a milling department. It's never really been our forte, but we're starting to expand upon that because what it does is it enables us to be able to provide more for our customers. We do a lot for the medical industry. We do some aerospace, a lot of metrology also. So we're making components for measuring devices, we're making components for medical devices, and we're making components for aircraft. More in the medical field. Most of our customers are in the medical field, so we're a service provider for them. It's nothing that you would go to the store and buy, you would never see it, but we're making the components. If you go to have surgery, we're making components for the handheld medical devices that the doctors are using. A customer would rather come to a vendor who can provide them the finished product. They don't want to get just a turned part from us, they want us to be able to mill it, like things like this. So they want to be able to come to us for a full package, and we also do assembly work for them. The fact that we're employee-owned makes it even better because they have skin in the game. If they see a guy who's struggling for 4 or 5 hours getting something up, they know we're not making any money, and everybody goes to help. Being in this area is very unique. There's a lot of manufacturing here that people don't realize. So we have a unique opportunity because we're kind of hidden. There's a lot of opportunities, and I don't think people realize the opportunities that are here.